The third point which we are going to discuss is the extra protection. There is a lot of salt in the water. The water hardness increases and the salt will dry to stick inside your inner tank everywhere, which leads to the corrosion. The salt will be coming along with your water, and it will try to stick everywhere inside your tank. And one fine year, you will see there is a corrosion. Year by year, layer and layer of salt will be accumulating, and the water will start leaking. So the company generally uses two methods. First method is sacrificial anode rod method. So this is a kind of rod which is placed inside your inner tank. This rod is going to help the solar water heater run for a longer number of years. When the salt water goes inside, the salt will try to stick on the rod before and not on the tank. Because of this, corrosion will happen on the rod and not on the tank. So that is why this is not a sacrificial rod, because it sacrifices itself to save your tank. You can replace the rod for every 3-4 years. If you are living in a good water area, then there is no need to change the rod. The second method, which now it is coming more into picture, is the coating that inner attack with some material. So sometimes a company coated with glass coating, ceramic coating, blue coating, metal types of coating has come into picture now it is. The logic is when the salt enters the tank, which will try to stick on the coating, but it won't be able to because the coating is slippery, and the salt will slip due to slipping feature. It will delay the corrosion. Also, these are insulators and non-metallic. The corrosion only happens on metal, so the coating will save your tank.